Hey guys, how are you? Tim Knox here on a Friday in Alabama. It's been a busy week. I've had a closing. I've looked at houses. I've showed houses. I've been on listing appointments, and now it's Friday, and I'm having a casual day. I've got some things. Got to go to Home Depot and get some prices on some things. So, just thought I would do a really quick video because this one of the things that kept coming up this week were different points of negotiation. And that simply means this: whether you are buying or selling a house, when you get to the stage where you are making an offer or you're taking offers, remember this: everything is a point of negotiation. Not just the price. Of course, the price is always up for negotiation, but things like repairs. If there is an inspection done on the home and it looks like there are a number of repairs that are needed, well, that becomes a point of negotiation. Do you negotiate where, okay, I'm going to take some off the price, or I will allow X number of dollars, or I'll get the work done? It's all a point of negotiation. The same is true on things like closing costs. Okay, who is going to pay closing, which can typically run, 3, 4, 5% of the total? That's a point of negotiation. Are you going to accept an offer that is $10,000 below asking and pay the closing costs, or are you going to counter back with paying perhaps half the closing costs? So again, a point of negotiation. Doesn't matter which side you are on. A lot of other things are always up for negotiation. Again, the price, the repairs, who pays for closing, who does this, who does that, and just keep that in mind as you are trying to get to the deal where you are at the stage where everyone is happy. Everything is up for negotiation. Now, don't be stupid. Don't go in and, if someone's got a $200,000 house, you start the bidding at $100,000. That's not negotiating. That's a lowball offer. And let me tell you something. I've said this before, but if you offer someone 50 cents on the dollar and they immediately take it without negotiating, there's something going on. There's something wrong with that house. It might come back to bite you in the backside. So, but there you go. Just keep in mind that in real estate, everything is negotiable. Heck, I've seen negotiations take place over, whether or not the curtains are going to be left, or the big screen TV is going to be left. If you are a home buyer and you walk into a house and you like the drapes, well, hell, those can become a point of negotiation for you. If you are a home seller and you've got a 70-inch flat panel TV on the wall that you don't want to bother taking down, that can be another negotiating point. If you do this, I will include the TV. So there you go. Just remember, in real estate, everything is up for negotiation. Everything. The point, or the key, is to have someone like moi, which is French for me, is to have someone like me doing the negotiating for you, because a lot of people are not comfortable negotiating. It makes a lot of people really uncomfortable. I love it. I love to negotiate. I love going the back and forth. My mom, when she was in her late 80s, she would go to a yard sale and dick her over a quarter. I've told this story before. I've seen it happen. I'm the same way. I love to negotiate. So, hey, if I can do anything for you, negotiations or otherwise, when it comes to real estate, do not hesitate to give me a call. I will always call you back. No negotiation necessary for that. But give me a call, 256-679-0704, or you can find me on the web at timknox.com. Now get out there and make it a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday.